Hi everyone, my name is Ibu Adila and this is my interpreting video for final exam of theoretical and practice of interpreting. I will be interpreting a video of Maudy Ayunda from Indonesian to English. So let's get started.
Hi curious people, Maudy Ayunda here. Selamat datang di My Book List, di mana aku sharing kisi-kisi menarik dari buku-buku yang aku baca.
Hi curious people, Maudy Ayunda here. Welcome to my book list where I will be sharing interesting highlights from the books I have read.
Dari semua isi buku itu, aku hanya akan sharing 3 insights yang personally menarik banget buat aku.
From each book, I will only be sharing 3 insights that stood out to me personally.
Hari ini, kita akan membedah buku The 5 AM Club by Robin Sharma.
Today, we are going to dive into The 5 AM Club by Robin Sharma.
Nah, si Robin Sharma ini dianggap sebagai salah satu dari 5 pakar kepemimpinan terbaik di dunia.
Robin Sharma is considered one of the top 5 leadership experts in the world.
Dan dia sering menjadi advisor for CEOs, rock stars, like anybody, you name it.
He often advises CEOs, rock stars, and many other well-known figures.
Nah, di buku ini dia tuh mengangkat banyak cerita orang-orang yang selama bertahun-tahun berkomitmen untuk bangun pagi setiap hari.
In this book, he tells stories of people who have consistently committed to waking up early for years.
Dan dari bukti-bukti yang dia kumpulkan, dia menunjukkan bahwa bangun pagi itu sangat-sangat penting karena memberikan nada positif dan produktif untuk sisa hari kita.
Based on the evidence he presents, he shows that waking up early is incredibly important because it sets a positive and productive tone for the rest of our day.
Insight pertama, rahasia dibalik kesuksesan yaitu bangun pagi, khususnya jam 5 pagi.
Insight 1. The secret behind success is waking up early, especially at 5 a.m.
Nah, ini salah satu insight yang menjadi judul dari bukunya, bahwa untuk menjadi sukses kita tuh harus mau melakukan sesuatu yang gak banyak orang mau lakuin.
This is actually the main idea of the book. To be successful, we need to be willing to do things most people are not.
Termasuk menjadikan bangun pagi sebagai satu kebiasaan.
And that includes making early rising a daily habit.
Nah, apa sih gunanya? Di dalam buku ini ada satu framework yang aku suka banget, which is the 20-20-20.
So, what is the benefit? The book introduced a framework that I really love, which is the 20-20-20 method.
Nah, itu dianjurkan untuk jam pertama di hari kamu.
Mean for the first hour of your day.
20 menit pertama kita harus melakukan latihan fisik.
The first 20 minutes should be spent doing physical exercise.
Ini bisa kamu isi dengan olahraga, yoga, atau anything yang membuat kamu berkeringat.
Whether it's working out, doing yoga, or anything that makes you sweat.
Karena pertama, keringat membantu menghilangkan hormon rasa takut kortisol.
First, sweating helps reduce the stress hormone cortisol.
And the second interesting thing, keringat juga menggenerasi protein BDNF yang memperbaiki sel-sel koneksi neural kamu. Jadi kamu tuh benar-benar berpikir lebih jernih dan lebih cepat.
And second, it boosts the production of protein called BDNF, which helps repair neural connections in the brain. So, you will actually be able to think more clearly and more quickly.
Terus 20 menit kedua itu biasanya for reflection. Jadi kamu bisa isi journal, meditasi, sholat, anything that's quiet time and makes you think more clearly.
The second 20 minutes is for reflection. You can spend this time journaling, meditating, praying, anything that brings stillness and help you think more clearly.
Dan 20 menit terakhir dianjurkan kita itu untuk belajar atau we have to grow. Jadi baca buku, baca koran, dan dengerin podcast.
And the final 20 minutes is for growth. Read a book, skim through the news, or listen to a podcast.
Nah, rutinitas ini tuh kita lakuin terus 66 hari. Itu waktu yang diperlukan untuk menjadi kebiasaan.
This routine should be practiced for 66 days which is the time needed to form a new habit.
Jadi setelah 66 hari itu, Robin Sharma calls that automaticity point, di mana akhirnya udah menjadi otomatis bagi kita untuk bangun pagi.
Robin Sharma calls this the automatic point, the moment when waking up early becomes second nature. And that is the end of my interpreting video. I hope everything was clear and easy to follow. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.